Greetings Instagrammers, welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you a free tool for researching Instagram hashtags. So here is the free tool from 4ppo.com, and I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check it out. Once you're here, just enter in your keyword or hashtag. So in this example, I'm going to choose deals and then click on generate hashtags. Within seconds, you will see the results down below here. So it found 30 of the best hashtags for you to use, and you can easily copy it, or you can go down here and see the hashtags right here, and you can check these boxes if you want to add it to your box right here for you to copy and paste later. And here you will see the total number of posts for each of these tags. So the one that you've entered is right here, and then you can see the average likes for these posts with these tags, and average comments from the top posts, and about on average how many posts per hour with this specific tag. And this is an absolutely free tool, and there's no sign up required, there's no trials. It is free, and unfortunately it is limited to just showing you 5 results of the top tags relating to your whatever you search. Alright, let's do another example. I have here the keyword travel, and you can see here, let's do travel girl as my next hashtag to research, since it's showing me no data for this one. So let's say you're interested in this one, travel girl, and then you research. There's 9 related hashtags to travel girl, and you can see here it's showing me the top 5 for this particular related keyword. So if you're researching a popular hashtag, it's going to show you a lot more related tags. So again, this is free tool for you guys to mess around with for researching Instagram hashtags along with other Instagram tools. So check it out. Thanks so much for viewing. I hope this helps, and until next time, happy Instagramming.